everyone, I am Meenakshi Tomar, Professor at the Jindal Global Business School and Vice Dean for Office of Career Services at OP Jindal Global University. I teach marketing and communication related courses while assisting Office of Career Services to network, mentor students and build meaningful relationships. The Office of Career Services supports students' professional journeys through immense career guidance and counseling throughout the tenure of the program, provide internship support and platforms for jobs and entrepreneurship, impart professional and soft skills training, engage with industry, facilitate connect with alumni network, and assist students towards global and higher education opportunities by ensuring required interview trainings and drafting documents. The uniqueness of the Office of Career Services at JGU is the student-centric approach we adopt. The tailored career counseling enhances the experiences of the students, enabling them to build understanding of their career pathway through career and skill mapping sessions. Dedicated support for diverse aspirations including corporate careers, entrepreneurship, research, higher education and competitive examination preparation is taken care of through multiple ways. The cross-disciplinary and innovative career tracks including public policy, development sector, arts, think tanks or startups make us very unique. Top recruiters for our students included Accenture, PwC, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, Satwa Consulting, KPMG, Geo Creative Labs, Grant Thornton Bharat, Tata Consulting Services and Goldman Sachs. Other prominent recruiters included ICICI Bank, Dentsu, Indian Express, Teal Design Studio, Azim Premji Foundation, Naveen Jindal Foundation, Piramal Foundation and Max Security Solutions. Some of the prominent sectors included technology and IT services, financial services, media and advertising, architectural design studio, healthcare and human wellness, governance, policy, innovation and international cooperation, consulting and strategic firms, policy, think tank, research institutions, philanthropy and tech impact. One of the inspiring student success stories from this year which I would like to share is of a student, Sri Krishna Deva from Jindal School of International Affairs who enrolled into Masters of Arts in Diplomacy, Law and Business program. The student embarked on a series of internships and academic engagements to explore their professional trajectory. Their early experiences included internships with Suvidha Foundation and Spread Smile Foundation, followed by roles aligning with their interest in policy analysis such as a corporate intelligence analyst at MidCat Advisory and a junior intelligence analyst at the Europe desk of the Center for Intelligence, Research and Analysis. Further involvement encompassed membership in the general body of Diplomania, a student-led society at the Jindal School of International Affairs, and an internship with the Pankaj Kumar Jha Center for Security Studies, complemented by participation in a semester exchange at St. Petersburg State University in Russia through the JGU Student Mobility Program. Ultimately, this diverse background led to securing a placement opportunity as a strategic consultant with the Public Services Division at Consultat Services Private Limited. Some of the new Memorandum of Understandings that the Office of Career Services signed included one with Center for Human Security Studies, Center of Policy, Research and Governance, Chanakya Policy and Research Foundation, India Center for Policy, Research and Development, Indian Institute of Public Administration, McGraw-Hill, Salam Bombay, Teach for India, the Free Press Journal, the International Council on Human Rights, Peace and Politics, and We Care Foundation. These new partnerships create opportunities for the students that provides them access to internships, enhancing possibility of pre-placement offers. The university uses its alumni network to help students with their career development through career talks, internships and job references, recruitment partnerships, career co-creation mentorship, and a holistic ecosystem building. Students stay updated on opportunities from the Office of Career Services through Superset portal, which is used specifically for internships and placement opportunities. Office of Career Services collaborates with academic departments across the university to prepare students for the workforce through curriculum alignment within the industry needs. The schools offer new electives through identification of industry relevant skills that have academic credits. Joint career advising and mentoring through faculty discussions with students is also a primary activity. The key skills that students should focus on to boost employability include blend of technical, cognitive and interpersonal skills. These would mean communication skills, critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, digital literacy and text skills, teamwork and collaboration, adaptability and learning agility, emotional intelligence, domain-specific knowledge, professional presence, global and cultural awareness, initiative and ownership. Skills that demonstrate self-motivation set everything apart. Every journey begins with a single step, and at the Office of Career Services at JGU, we walk that journey with you. With every opportunity, every connection and every challenge, we believe in your potential to achieve greatness. The future isn't just waiting, it's yours to shape.